Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how to set ConfigMap in Kubernetes. The requirement to do this demo are the Docker and kind up and running in your computer. And if you don't have this, please check the link below. I have videos how to install it on Windows, Mac, and Ubuntu. All the steps will be included in my blog post in the link in the description. Let's go to the board. When you need to pass some information values for your application Kubernetes, and it is sensitive or non-sensitive values, you can use ConfigMap for non-sensitive values, and you can use a secret for sensitive values. You can create a ConfigMap to store the values and mount it in the pod like a variable or a file in the dynamic way. I will show in the demo how you can do that. So in the bottom here, you have our Kubernetes cluster and you have two applications. One application, you have a pod and you have a ConfigMap and you have a secret. If this new pod in here, he have like a configuration inside the pod, but they need to use the same configuration we have in the ConfigMap in here. So you just point the pod to connect to this ConfigMap, and the ConfigMap go to send the file or the variables for your application. But if you have these invariant variables inside your pod and you need to change the deployment here. So if you have one or two applications that require use the same configuration, just try to use a ConfigMap to manage this dynamic configuration. If you need to change this configuration, we have these two points for this ConfigMap. You need to change in here. You just change in one place. You just change the ConfigMap, restart the pods, and they go to take the new configuration for the changes you made. Let's go to the terminal so I can show you the demo. Okay, the first thing you need to do in the terminal is git clone my repository. So after this, you go cd my YouTube channel and cd this video is the 22. Open the VS Code. Okay, in the VS Code, the first step, let's create a Kubernetes cluster with kind. So make create cluster. So let's go to create a Kubernetes cluster. When they create the Kubernetes cluster, I'm going to show the files you have in here. You have a file pod. In this file pod, you're going to have the variables in here. So that is a variable attached to my deployment for this pod. And if I need to change, I need to make a new deployment. In the new deployment, I change the values in here. So let's go to change for my deployment. So if I want to use a ConfigMap to send this env, I can put the env, that's the name, value from. So I put the ConfigMap and I pass the name for the my ConfigMap name, and after that I send the key, the env to be the env key. So the another way to do like have your configuration, if you need a file, so you can use the ConfigMap to create this file too. So you can mount this file inside your pod. So I can mount it here. So I go to mount, volume mount. This volume mount, the name will be config volume. You go to mount my file in the config folder, and that's the path you go to use. Is config.json, the name of the file, and the volume name will be config volume, and I go to send the ConfigMap name. That's the ConfigMap I go to create with you in the next steps. In my Docker file, I have the environment for the dev, for the environment, the liveness, healthy, metrics, graceful, shutdown. So I can put this in here. So I can put the configuration in my ConfigMap, and when I delete and my pods restart, they take the new configurations they put inside the pod. So the requirement to use the ConfigMap, you really need to have you configured outside to the pod map from the literal. So I go to create an environment in this ConfigMap, the name will be ConfigMap. So if I want to use a file, so you have this configuration JSON here, that's a JSON file. Here I wanna to use this file to create a config map. These values for this file in the config map. So I just use make create config map file. So you can see the kubectl create config map. The name will be file, and you put it from file and put it the path for the file. The file is in the same folder. I just put the name for the file. It's config.json. So let's go to the next command. Will be create config map. So this command I go to use for create the config map. I go to use for the pods. You go to use in this demo. So the name will be password, but when you click make, they go to use the literal way, and they go to use my file. From the file, they run the dry run and minus OEM. They go to print that, and I put that in the config map literal. That will be this file we have in here. So you see the API version, and the data inside will be config.json file. Then you have the configure the env config that's coming to the literal, that's coming to the file, and the name will be password. So let's create this config map. So here make apply config map. So they will go to kubectl apply -f config map literal file. So that's the name of the file we have in here. Okay, next step, let's check the config files you create. So make list config map. So you have a file when you create with the file, just with the file, literal, the ones you just use the literal, the commands to create, and passwords that you just create with the literal and the file together. That's you will choose to deploy the pod. So let's check what you have in this config map. So make show config map. So now you can see you have a config map that's have data, and that's coming to the file, the name is config.json, and the env config map. So we have these two values inside this config map. So next step, you go to use the spot deployment. Remember, I put it like the env for literal. They go to be an environment variable environment. Will be an environment variable in the pod, and you go to use the file to create a file with amount, and this file will be in the config folder. So let's go back to the terminal, make apply pod. So let's create the pod. So you create the pod. Okay, the pod is running now. So let's go to the next command, is show env. So let's go to see what you have in this pod. Make show pod env. So let's see the environment. So I go to use qb exec. So I go inside the pod to check if I have the environment variable in my application. So I go to use the env to show all the variables I have, and I grab the variable env, and that show the env config map that's coming to the config map password that you create with literal and with the file. So let's check if you have the file inside the pod. So make show pod file. So they will go to do the same thing. The kubectl exec. So it interact the password, that's the name of the pod, and they go to check if you have a file with the name config.json. So you have the information in here. And after that, catch the value inside the file config.json. So env file. So I show you how to create the two ways, the literal and for the file, the config map. And I show you how you can create an environment variable for your container and how you can create a file for your config map. So that's have a file inside your application with the new configuration. So that's it. That's how to setting config map in Kubernetes. And the last step, you can delete the cluster. So make delete all. We go to delete our cluster. Is a requirement for use config map. Your application have the configuration separate for the code. If you see my code here, my Docker file. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like it. And I see you in the next one.